American Elegy is a life-size depiction of a vintage gas pump and a cowboy. Constructed in steel and powder-coated in red, the work instills a sense of American nostalgia through the use of iconic images. Images of cowboys, corporate logos, and gas stations form our national landscape. Artists of the early 20th century, such as Walker Evans and Edward Hopper, depicted this landscape. In the late 20th century, artists Edward Rushka and Stephen Shore created works emphasizing a national landscape of gas stations and roadside signs displaying corporate identities as cultural sentinels at the peak of their power. A culture of cars and cowboys have come to represent American culture. Artists such as Richard Prince have used cowboys to symbolize the American West as North American representations of freedom, open space, and autonomous power. American Elegy is a representation of a passing culture. The antique gas pump and cowboy allude to cars and open road, yet the conspicuous absence of both evoke a feeling of nostalgia. The cowboy and petrochemical culture that molded America are dying myths. With prescient symbolism, the cowboy holds a lit cigarette next to the gas pump. The stop sign red sculpture, existing only as line and shadow, stands in a liminal state between a nostalgic past and an uncertain future. 20th century artwork celebrated these iconic images as representations of our cultural identity. In this sculpture, a Pegasus, the mythologic vehicle of the forgotten god Perseus, reminds us all cultures, civilizations, and mythologies die. In American Elegy, the viewer confronts the passing of a collective mythology. Constructed in thin steel line, the pump, the cowboy, and the culture from which they were born become tenuous and transparent in their hold on space. The gas pump, in the shape of a tombstone, awaits the viewer's epitaph for a cowboy and a culture in dissolution on the verge of a new and different mythology.